Didn't deserve to be my bitch.
Sounds so dumb, like... You should tell him it's for being a fucking weirdo. Well, whenever he says why, be like, maybe I want a bitch, dude.
Maybe it was my charger.
Hmm?
Maybe it was after my charger.
Did you put it away?
I think I did, but I don't remember.
There's so much of your stuff that was never even put away. Like your book bag's still not put away, your D&D little sack is not put away.
Well, who wants
You're
to
gonna
team
have to
up
give
with
me a
me?
moment.
Okay.
Someone get here. They just come from Northwest and Mosquito, so...
Coming out or not? I wish he could hear me, I'll call him the fucking puta.
You're laughing so deep.
I want that D, you got no pants on. Bring it back over here.
You're laughing so big, man. Hello. Whoa, why are you killing someone?
The same
Not
guy.
very nice, dude.
What
Why are you
the fuck is
camping the
going
house?
on? Hold up,
Why
guys.
am I
Hold up.
camp-
I'm doing the talking here. No, shut up. No, not you. Talking to my friends here. Listen, man. Oh, you got a gun. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, they shot, not me. Can we talk? Can we just talk before we go into this gun blazing fight?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can I
It's
trust you
Douglas!
with that? Is that
Yeah,
cool,
just
man?
don't
It's
come
Douglas.
in. I have eyes on the door. You come in, you get shot, you die.
Yeah,
No, dude.
say hey
I'm
Douglas.
not coming in your door. No, you're cool, man. That's your home, man.
Okay.
I ain't gonna unless I knock, bro. You're cool. You're cool. All right.
Okay.
Here's the deal.
I don't want to kill anyone today.
What? That is a lie.
Right.
Okay, I'm being honest with you. You be honest with me. Okay, let's be 100. I know you're here to kill.
I'm not here to kill you. No, no, no. I want to take a hostage to have a bitch with me. Like I
Yep,
did that
definitely
before.
Douglas.
I wanted to break his leg, but he ended up dying.
Do you
Yeah.
have any gear, bro? What do you
Yeah.
have? Just be honest with me, and I'll
I
tell you
have
what I
lots
got.
of
and
I'll
gear.
be
I-
honest with you, you be honest with me, and type stuff. Yeah.
Okay, were you just at the ACC a minute ago?
No, no.
Not
I've
the
been
one
in
talking
this
about the
building this
bitch.
entire time.
Yeah.
Dude, like the whole day you've been here because I was at the Double Red.
I've
And
no,
it was
I've been
some
here a
kid,
good hour.
and like I
No, no, I've been here a good hour. Not the whole day.
could've been
Hey,
an
you
hour ago.
scared
All right,
Douglas
well,
out.
regardless, there was a kid in there, right? And I gave him food, gave him some ammo for his gun. See, I'm not a bandit. I'm chill. My friends here got a little trigger happy. A Bambi scared him. He had no pants on. That is terrifying, am I right?
Okay, well, here's what we do. Okay, close my door real quick, and I won't shoot you. I swear to God. Just close my door. It's for my safety, you
All right,
know, and for your guys' safety.
I'm not scared. I mean, I have nothing to lose, so. All right, well, don't shoot my
Okay.
dude, man. I don't want to have to
Found
throw a grenade in.
Douglas.
Okay, don't make me do that.
No, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. I
Okay,
don't want
he's
anyone
going.
coming
He's
through my
going.
door.
He's going to the door now.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
gonna
it's
shut
okay.
the door.
But if I see a gun up, I'm shooting. Just saying. Like,
Oh,
have
he's
the
double
gun
carrying,
down or
but
on
his
your
gun's
back.
not up.
Okay,
Alright,
as
he's
long as
closing
it's
the
like
door.
down.
Yeah, he's
Close
closing the door.
That's all I need. I see you. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, just close A. Okay, thank you. Oh, I like your mask. I have the same
Alright.
one.
That is pretty fucking cool, man. And we all fit just fine, man.
Okay, whoa.
You sound
What
like
happened?
outside,
What's
right?
happening? Why is someone shooting?
He was
Are you
with
guys
us
all
at the door.
okay? Are you guys okay? Obviously not. Okay, yeah, I'll have to help you out then. Where's the guy shooting at you guys?
Fucking reload!
Where are you getting shot from? Guys, I'm gonna need some info if you want me to help you. Where are you getting shot from? Okay, you don't want my help?
He's in yellow. He's in yellow.
Yellow house, right next to mine?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, come out. I'm not gonna kill you, but you killed both of my guys. That's all.
You killed both of your guys?
Yeah. Just keep up. Just keep up.
You know what, I
that
feel
your
trust, like, I feel like no, I don't have friends. I feel like a good guy. I'm gonna come out. My gun isn't gonna be raised, but it's gonna be out,
No,
okay?
dude, just come out. Come out. Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, I trust you guys. I love you. If I die, tell my mom I love her.
Alright, I'm right behind you. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right behind you.
Okay, okay, okay. Where's your buddy?
Alright, one's in the middle of the road over there, and the other one's behind the house right there. So,
Oh, middle of the road where? West, east?
in the middle of the main road, the other dude's right here.
Oh, you killed him.
I didn't kill him.
Oh wait, no, this is your buddy?
Yep.
No, I'm talking about the guy that killed you guys. Where is he?
Oh, no. No, he was in yellow. But he's not. I
Alright,
don't know.
watch
They
the
didn't
door.
see where we ran to.
Watch the door, watch the door.
Yep.
Safety, dude. What's up? Where you at?
User joined your channel.
I
Be
got-
quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Yeah, check your buddy's stuff. He was in yellow, you said. Did he run out?
Yeah, dude, he ran out. He ran out. I don't know where he went.
Then she's
What way did he
Oh.
go? You didn't see north?
He has a,
Did he
he
go
has a
black?
1911, apparently. And he probably went across the road. But if he can just help get the gear off of the guy's bodies, and then, he can come get...
Yeah, I don't see anyone. Well, tell your buddies
Hey,
to
dude,
come.
you
I'll
ever-
help you guard